Hills or the Sierra, the rain and the snow isn't going to start until late. Look at the sunset here from Live Copter 3. Another beautiful view with some of those clouds gathering off the west coast. They're going to continue to thicken up tonight. This is the 12-hour forecast for Sacramento. Notice how the temperature drops into the mid-40s. That's not a computer glitch. It actually is going to hang in the mid-40s all night long. Rain not expected to get here until at least 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. That's a little later than what we were thinking at this point yesterday. That also means some of that wet weather is going to slide into the first part of the morning commute on Thursday. Most of the rain accumulating on Thursday in the valley is going to be ahead of sunrise. We'll see some hit and miss showers through the rest of the afternoon. Friday's mostly dry, a couple of showers later on in the day. One of those things, if you forget your umbrella, you'll be fine. But Saturday, that's a day where we're going to need to plan around the valley rain and some Sierra snow as well. That rain for a couple of hours could be on the heavier side. Some gusty winds around 30 miles per hour. Still watching rain chances for Monday, but we've taken those numbers down quite a bit. At this point, it looks like that system is going to be a bit weaker. So beneficial rain in a couple of rounds for the valley and some beneficial snow too, at least if you're not trying to travel in it. Chain controls needed starting early Thursday morning, likely lasting through the afternoon, and expect more chain controls on Saturday. Once again, that's all day long. Donner Summit could see up to 6 inches of snow tomorrow and up to a foot of new snow on Saturday. So you got to think the resort's going to be busy with people looking for that fresh powder on Sunday. And just like with valley rainfall, we've taken down some of those snow numbers for Monday. There may be enough for chain controls. We'll keep an eye on that. If you have travel plans on Monday, we want you to keep an eye on that too. Radar and satellite shows the clouds increasing across Northern California, but the rain has only just started at the north coast. Futurecast holding off that rain well past 11, even past midnight at this point. So again, later timing than what we were expecting yesterday. The bulk of the rain for the valley comes overnight. By 8 a.m., should be dry conditions from Yuba City to Modesto, as in no new rain falling, but roads will be wet. And it's just going to be kind of a day for the foothills where we're socked in with the rain all day long. Here's a couple showers for the valley in the afternoon. Notice the snow still going in the Sierra. That snow level about 4,000 feet in the morning, rising to closer to 5,000 feet into the afternoon. Thursday evening, we start to dry things out, and again, Friday is a day where we settle things down in between those two rounds. So tomorrow, a mix of rain and snow for Quincy, Pollock Pines, and Arnold. Nothing accumulating in Pollock Pines or Arnold. Accumulations in Truckee and South Lake Tahoe around 1 to 2 inches. The higher amounts will be up on the summits. In the foothills, clouds, light rain and drizzle all day long, so highs held into the upper 40s to low 50s. We'll see hit and miss showers during the day from Lakeport to San Jose. Not much new accumulation during the day, but again, could pick up a quick ½ inch during the overnight hours. In the San Joaquin Valley, couple showers here through the afternoon. Afternoon temperatures in the mid-50s during the commute, but the roads are going to be wet because our rain, as Edie and Andrea just mentioned, is just a couple hours away. Starting to see some steady rain now from Lake County up into Colusa and Glenn County. It's coming down in a few hundredths of an inch per hour, so it's relatively light. But let's jump ahead here. This is 3 a.m. Overnight, while most of us are sleeping. This is when the steadiest of the rain comes through the valley, and this is also when the snow will start to pick up above 5,000 feet in the Sierra. Here's 7 a.m., so the beginning of the morning commute. The steady rain is gone. Roads will be wet. There may be some puddles out there, a little bit of road spray, but otherwise no major issues. This is when we will have chain controls over 80 and 50 into the Sierra. Now, by tomorrow afternoon, the showers are going to start to pop back up. Little area of low pressure passing pretty much right overhead, so we'll get a few hours of some dry time tomorrow morning in the valley, but the afternoon, be ready for some of those downpours again. Some snow showers tailing off a little bit into the Sierra, but those chain controls will likely be needed throughout the day. And for you in the foothills, once the rain starts tonight, it's just going to be kind of one of those damp, soggy days all day tomorrow. We'll get a little break Friday, more to come on Saturday. I'll see you with the extended forecast in a bit.